Well, good morning everyone. Today we'll start with the rules of addition. First point is order of addends does not change the sum. Addends, I hope you are clear with the term. Addends are those numbers which you are adding. For example, here I am adding 3 and 5. Therefore, 3 and 5 are your addends. So, order of addends does not change the sum. Order means sequence. Here 3 is written first, which is added to the 5, and I am getting 8. Here 5 is added first, which is added to 3, and I am getting 8. In both the cases I am getting the same answer. Therefore, the sequence in which we are adding doesn't matter. Second point is adding 0 to a number gives the number itself. Means whenever you are adding 0 to any of the number, you will always get that number back. 38 plus 0 gives you 38. 1098 added to 0, it gives you 1098. Now next point is adding 1 to a number will give the number just after it, or we get the successor of that number. Successor means the number which will come after that. For example, successor of 9 is 10. So 26 plus 1 gives you 27. 1098 plus 1 gives you 1099. Now the next point is on adding 10 to a number, the digit in the tens place increases by 1. Means the digit at the tens place will increase by 1. For example, 128. Here 2 is at the tens place because 1's tens. So when I am adding 10, this 2 is getting increased by 1. Therefore I am getting 3 at the place of tens. Same is the case here. 20956. So here 5 is at your tens place. When 10 has been added at the place of 5, I am getting 6. So when you are adding 10 to a number, its 10 place will get increased by 1. Same is the case with the 100. When you are adding 100 to the number, the 100's place value will, the digit at the place of 100 will get increased by 1. For example, here 0 is at the 100 place. Here you got 1 on adding 100. So 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Same is the case here. Here you can see 1's, 10's, 100. 4 is at the place of hundreds. So when you are adding 100, this 4 is turning out to be 5. On adding 1000 to a number, the digit in the 1000 place increases by 1. Here 1 is at the 1000 place. When we have added 1000, it is turning out to be 2. Therefore the digit has increased by 1. Similar is the case here. Here this 1000 I forgot to write, so I have added here. 1's, 10's, 100, 1000. Here 9 is at the thousands place. Therefore when 1000 has added, 9 plus 1 will give you 10. So 0 came here, 1 will come as carry here, so that 1 came here. So 110845 is your answer. Now after this, directly we will forward to the exercise. Starting with question number 1 of exercise 2.2. The question was, first you have to add these two terms, and then here these two you were to add, and then you were to find out on the basis of the answers that you are getting, that whether the sign will be equals to, greater than, or less than. So first I solved my left hand side. I added these two, I got this as the answer. I added these two, I got this as the answer. Since the answer are same, therefore the sign of equality will be here. Obviously you can see that here similarly they are checking the concept of order. Here first they are adding this to this, and here they are adding this to this. So order of adding they have changed, and already we have read that the order of the addition does not change the answer. So you will always get equals to sign if just the order of the addition has been changed. Moving ahead, question number 2, add and observe the answers. This was A, and in the A part again they are having sub 4 parts. Here you can see simply the orders have been changed, means they have regrouped the data. Here 31,244 is at the first place, followed by 23,419, which is further followed by 41,695. Here this 31, this term is at its place, but these places have been interchanged. In the third part, this term has come first, this at the second, and this has been here. So in all the 4 parts they have simply regrouped the data. उन्होंने बस उसका अरेंजमेंट चेंज किया है, एंड देन दे आर चेकिंग वेदर द आंसर विल रिमेन सेम और it will get altered. Altered means change. So here I am making the additions. First part I have done here. This is your second part, I forgot to mention. This is your third part, and this is your fourth part. On adding, you will find the answer everywhere you are getting, because order of the addition does not change the answer. So this is all for today. I will send you the pic of the exercise separately along with this video. All the remaining parts of question number 1 and question number 2 are expected to be done by you, and from tomorrow we will start with question number 3.